Hi guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of my Stella Dot Starter Kit. I guess I should first introduce myself. My name's Candace. I'm a new Stella Dot stylist. I just received my starter kit last week and I love everything in it. I've been wearing some of it already, but I'm going to unbox everything for you today. So there's a special going on in October. It's $199 and you get $1,000 worth of bestsellers chosen by Stella Dot. If you sell $1,000 in your first 30 days, you waive the second $100 fee, so it's only $199 for $1,000 in product to share at your trunk shows. So let's just jump in and see what was included. So the first item I actually wore today, they are the Rhett hoops. They are a gold teardrop hoop with silver beads. Really cute. They're like simple enough that you could wear them dressed down, you can wear them to the office. I think you could dress them up, you know, put on a nice statement bracelet or something with them. Really cute. Alright, the next item is the Renegade hoops. Now I believe the Renegade bracelet, their original gold and silver, has been around for a while, and they did like a release of a necklace. They did a mixed metal bracelet, which is included in this, and these earrings. I just got these today. Here they are. They're just a small hoop with like the little points. Very cute. I'm going to be saying cute a lot apparently. They kind of have like a bit of a like rocker edge to them if I was a rocker. So there they are. I just recently had my ears pierced in the third hole, and I haven't worn earrings in a little while, so my ears are kind of sore if you're wondering why I'm grunting and groaning. Next is the Essential Pearl Studs. These are gorgeous. Work well with pretty much any outfit. Like most of this stuff, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to the office. Here are the Essential Pearl Studs. You can see the size of them. Alright, next I believe are the Sparkle Studs. Yeah, these are the Sparkle Studs in silver. They also come in gold, and then with the clear stone, and then with a smoky colored stone. I'm not sure if it's silver or gold on the smoky. I'm assuming these are cubic zirconia. They're not, obviously they're not diamonds, but I'm pretty sure they're cubic zirconia. Nice size. These would be like a really cute gift for the holidays, and I actually saw a really cute idea of how to package them, which I'm going to be showing the idea, and the package will be available for purchase at the Bush Plains Craft and Vendor Show on November 4th. It's a Sunday. So you can order a pair of Sparkle Studs or anything that fits, anything that comes in this small little box, and it will fit in the packaging that I have in mind. But I'll probably be posting that on my Instagram or in my Facebook group. So the next item is the Rhett cuff in gold. So this matches the teardrop earrings that I already showed. So this comes in gold and silver. This one is the gold. So it has like the wire in gold and then the silver beads. There's 2 rows of silver beads. If you have like a smaller wrist like me, I just kind of like bent it in a bit because my wrists are super small, but it fits really nice, and I wore it today at work. And it kind of bothered me on my right hand because I'm right-handed, but when I put it on my left, I didn't even notice that it was there. So that is the Ret cuff in gold. I really like this box, the blue box. So the next item, I'll go to the Ret hoops again. And the next item is the Vienna bracelet in silver. Okay, this is a pulley bracelet. Oh, I probably should have taken this off. Sorry. So it's a pulley bracelet, so you can make it as large or small as you need it to be. So you just pull like so. You can wear it like a little looser, or you can tighten it up, and it has like little dangles. Really pretty. That's kind of a weird, awkward angle, but all right. The next item is the Anda Intention bracelet in strength. I believe they have like courage. What are the other ones? There's a bunch of them. Now, when I first saw like the stretch bracelets that Stella and Dot had, I mean, a lot of people sell stretch bracelets, but I wasn't like over the moon about them until I received them in my kit, and they are so cute. They definitely are not like, I was thinking like they'd be really like, make me think like I'm a child or something, which they're not. It's a very an adult bracelet. They don't look cheap at all. The elastic is really nice. So there's the Anda Intention bracelet in courage. And then I believe I'm looking for a certain one. Okay, yeah, there's the Nicolette stretch bracelet in gold. Because I want to pair these together. I believe this one also comes in silver. This is another stretch bracelet. And I was like surprised at the weight. I mean, it's not heavy. It doesn't feel like heavy on your wrist, but it has some weight to it. It's not like cheap little plastic beads. So this one is just all gold. It has the little signature Stella and Dot, the little diamond, or the diamond-looking diamond on the back. So that's how they look like together. Really cute. Alright, the next item is the Renegade stretch bracelet. So this matches the little mini hoops, and I haven't shown the necklace yet. It's mixed metal. You can also get this in silver and gold. Oh, shoot. This one is also a stretch bracelet. It's got like the little, they almost remind me of like little bullets or something like that. Spikes. Really cool. I think I might actually get this one in gold. Alright, so the next item is the Pegasus earrings. These are like a pretty amazing statement earring. They look like feathers. If I can get it off. Ah. Okay, and then, so this is what they look like. And then on the back, there's a like piece of, I'm assuming this is the vegan faux leather. And then these kind of move freely. I mean, they're not going to move like on your ear, but you can move them. Kind of make sure they're all lined up in a row. There you are. those would be gorgeous with like a little black dress for the holidays. A lot of holiday parties coming up. Alright, so that was the Pegasus earrings. Next are the Georgia hoops. Now these, when I immediately opened them, I thought, oh my god, these are so heavy. I can't wear these. There's no way. And they do have some weight to them, kind of similar to the other stretch bracelet that I had there, the Nicolette stretch bracelet. Has the same kind of like weight to it, but they're not heavy. I would encourage people, if you're at a trunk show and you like the look of these earrings, to try them on and keep them on for a couple minutes and you'll see. I mean, they're not as light as some of the other earrings. They do have a little weight to them, but they're nothing like what I thought. I thought that there's no way that I could wear these, and I definitely could. And they're really cute and different. So I believe these also come in silver. So these are the gold, kind of like the vintage gold. All right, the next item is the Loretta necklace, which I'm wearing. It is a gold necklace with these little rings, and I was really impressed with this necklace actually. I mean, it was cute when I saw it online, but when I got it, this might replace the Celestial choker for me, or at least I might switch it out every now and then. So there are the rings. They're really small and delicate. So that is the Loretta necklace. I guess I should talk about this before I forget. So this is the Love necklace in silver. It's like a bent wire. It's really cute. Has 3 different, so you can wear it high or you can wear it lower. I think I have it on the middle setting right now. This also comes in gold. This would be a really cute gift for a daughter from a father, or for a wife from a husband, or for a friend. Really cute. Another cute idea for Christmas gift for this holiday season. Hammered wire large hoops. Okay. I must have these upstairs. The hammered wire large hoops. I'm not going to run upstairs right now. They are a kind of staple piece in Stella and Dot. They are I'm just trying to think of how they go. They're kind of like an upside down teardrop. If you look them up online, I will include a link below. The hammered wire large hoops in silver. They also come in gold. I believe they also come in rose gold, and they come in a smaller size as well. All right. This is the Nadia layered necklace. Nadia? Yeah. So this one is one of the versatile pieces. Comes all together. It's a very long necklace, so it comes with like a ivory, it has some gold beads in there. So the one beaded chain, and then the other chain has like, kind of matches the Georgia hoops with the antique gold. And then you can wear them together. You can wear just the bead. You can wear just the like, I can't think of what I'm trying to say. You can wear either one separately, or you can wear them together. So it gives you 3 different options. And that also comes in a silver, I believe. And I think the beads are more of like a smoky gray or blue. All right, so this is the Renegade necklace. So this matches the bracelet and the small little hoop earrings that I already showed. Now this one took me a hot minute to figure out, but once I figured it out, I kind of felt like a little dim. This is a versatile piece, so you can wear it. I can get it on. I am the worst at getting necklaces on by myself. Oh, there we go. So you can wear it like this. Is this right? How do I have it? Sorry guys, I'm just gonna... Okay, so you can wear them kind of like almost the same length, like this, or you can move it down so that the second chain is longer. I actually think that I can move the other side down too. Just having some technical difficulties. Here. I would recommend probably figuring this out before you put it on. I think I got myself a little tangled. Yeah, there we go. So you can get them quite, the second one quite a lot longer. And it's just like a little pulley system. So this little bead here pulls up and down the chain. And this one comes in quite a cute box too. It's like a green, the blue polka dot. All right. Then we have this satin necklace. I believe this is the mixed metal. It also comes in silver and it also comes in gold. So this is another versatile piece. You can wear it all together as shown. It's got kind of a sparkly strand on it there. Or you can take the sparkle strand off and you can wear just the like chains. You could wear just the sparkle strand. That'd be really beautiful with at a holiday party. You can also just take one of the simpler chains. Oh, right. Take off the little connector here. Just grab one of the simpler chains. Sorry. There we go. And you can wear it long. You could also wear it long with like the choker as well. So a bunch of ways to wear this necklace. Whew, that wasn't very ladylike. There we go. Just put this back. Now, the other items we received in the the starter pack. This is the hang on. So it's for travel. I guess I took that out. I haven't taken off the tissue paper yet because I just got it today. This is in the black and cream. It almost looks navy to me. I think it's navy and cream stripe, and it's got like the little hook. And then we also got the navy and stripe getaway bag. Now, I'll probably do another video showing that just because I haven't opened it. I already own the getaway bag in navy and cream stripe, so actually I should have brought it down. But I will do another video showing that at a later time. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. That was everything that is included in the special this month. If you're interested in being a stylist, I would check it out. You have until the 31st to snatch that up. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.